capsules nila. We have Forte, Decaf, and Organic. So, I guess I'll use this one na lang, Organic.
Hey guys, good morning. It's January 5 and today yung 3 Kings na sineselebrate natin. So, again, we are here at the Manor, here at Camp Chanhae, and I'm just very happy to be here. Every Christmas, pupunta talaga kami dito. This is our 3rd time na mag-celebrate ng Christmas here. Ito lang, medyo delayed yung celebration natin because nung last Christmas, we were in Japan. So, parang ayoko lang mag-pass yung year na hindi ako nakavisit here at the Manor kasi sobrang ganda talaga ng Christmas vibe here. So, if you're thinking of a place where you can celebrate Christmas, yung ma-feel mo talaga yung Christmas vibe, this is one of the places na pwede niyong puntahan na land travel lang. Yung trip namin, it's unplanned. Hindi talaga namin napagplanuhan pumunta dito. Kahapon lang namin naisip. Parang we just want na ipabless yung sasakyan namin kasi hindi pa namin siya napapabless. And then after that, punta kami ng Baguio. Supposedly, day trip lang. Kaya lang, hindi kami nakaalis kahapon sa house. So, nag-pack na lang din ako ng things just in case na abutan kami somewhere. Pwede doon na lang kami matulog. Medyo okay naman yung rate. May mga mas mura, mga nasa around 4,000 lang. Pero sa labas sila ng Camp Chanhae. Usually, when we go here in Baguio, gusto namin dito lang kami sa Camp Chanhae kasi hindi ganun crowded and hindi ganun ka-traffic. Hindi nahirapan yung husband ko mag-drive here. We just settled here. Nakapasok kami mga past 8 p.m. na. And then, we went na here dito sa garden nila para maabutan namin yung light show. Ayun lang, may show pa pala, yung like sing and dance. Pero hindi namin siya naabutan, 8 p.m. siya, sayang. Ang naabutan namin is yung light show, which is okay din. Ang ganda din ng light show nila. Ayun lang. Nagkaroon lang kami ng problem last night upon check-in. Kasi, ang alam kong nabook ko was Garden Wing. Yan yung sinabi nung lady sa front desk, Garden Wing daw siya. And then, when we entered, parang feeling ko, hindi yung Garden Wing, forest view siya. So, doon pa lang, parang naano na ako na parang ba't kami nasa forest view? Yung alam ko garden view yung binuo ko. Sabi naman ng husband ko, okay na din daw yung place. So, hayaan ko na lang daw. So, ayun, di okay na. And then now, nag-CR si Kyle. And then, yung toilet nila, clogged yung yung toilet. So, ayaw mag-drain. Tinry naman ng husband ko to make it work. Tinry niya. Pero, apparently, siya talaga, may problem talaga yung toilet. And then, while I was watching the TV, bigla siyang nawalan ng palabas yung TV, nag-blackout. So, maya-maya bumalik, pero pixelated yung sa TV, yung screen. So, ayun na, I called them. And then, they said na if I want to be transferred, I need to pay additional 700 pesos kung gusto ko mapunta sa Garden View. So, parang, ang sabi ko naman, why do I need to pay 700? It's not my fault na sira yung toilet nyo and sira yung TV. And then, sabi ng husband ko, kung pwede, ilipat na lang daw kami dun sa same room kung nasan kami kahapon, yung forest view. Kaya yun yung sinabi ko din, kung pwedeng doon na lang din. Kaya lang, masyadong matagal Masyadong matagal yung calls bago kami ilipat. Gutom na kami, pagod na kami. Kasi mga nasa past 11 p.m. na siya. Tapos hindi pa kami nagdi-dinner. Alam niyo yung feeling na gano'n, yung halo-halo na siya. Tapos pagod ka na. So, pumunta na ako sa front desk. Sabi ko, ang binuko kasi Garden View talaga. Pumayag na nga ako na nasa forest view kami. Hindi na nga ako nagreklamo. Tapos sira yung toilet. Tapos ngayon, ini-insist nila na dahil pumayag na daw ako ng forest view, dapat sa forest view lang kami. Tapos ang tagal nung naging conversation. Like, may lady sa front desk, tapos pumapasok pa siya dun sa loob ng office. Kasi nandun yung nakausap ko on the phone. Parang ang tawag nila is back office. So, ang tagal talaga hanggang dumating na yung husband ko and medyo naiinis na rin siya kasi gabi na, hindi pa kami kumakain, hindi pa kami nakakapahinga. So, parang pag hindi kami ililipat ng room sa Garden View, willing na kami na alis na lang kami, hanap na lang kami ng ibang hotel. And then after that, hindi na umabot sa point na yun. Tapos nilipat na nila kami ng room. I think na-resolve lang siya when my husband said na ito kasi yung binayaran namin. Itong amount na to, for what room siya. So, after that, dun lang parang pumayag na ilipat kami sa Garden View na room. Kaya now, we're here sa Garden View. So, ayun siya. So, I think past, hindi ko sure kung 12 midnight or past 12 na kami naka-check-in dito sa room namin. Tapos dun lang din kami nakakain ng dinner. So, medyo stressful yung stay namin this year. Medyo nagkagulo dun sa pag-check-in. Pero kasi, kung hindi naman clogged yung toilet nila, and hindi nasira yung TV, actually, main concern lang ako sa toilet. Kasi yung TV, okay naman. Pwede naman namin palampasin yan. Okay lang. Parang hindi siya ganun big deal for us. Pero yung toilet talaga, kasi syempre it's a necessity, it's a basic thing na kailangan namin gamitin during our stay. So, kung hindi naman siya nasira, okay na kami dun sa Forest View. Wala nang problema kahit Garden View yung binayaran and then Forest View kami nilagay. So, yun lang yung medyo naging hassle. But, for the past 2 years that we stayed here, wala naman kami naging ganong problem. So, I think, pwede ko naman siyang pagbigyan. And super love ko lang din kasi talaga tong place na to. Kaya kahit tapos na yung Pasko, pinilit kong maabutan yung Christmas decors nila here, yung Christmas presentation nila. Kasi super like ko siya talaga. Sobrang nakaka-happy siya talaga. As in, I would still want to go back here next year, next December. And in the future, Christmases to come. Gusto ko pa rin talaga siyang ma-experience. Na kahit na-experience ko yung Christmas in Japan, parang gusto ko pa rin ma-experience yung Christmas dito here at the Manor. Sobrang saya niya. So, kayo, if you want to go here, I still highly recommend this place. Kasi yung vibe talaga yung pupuntahan. So, that's my story last night. Hindi ko na nakwento sa inyo kasi pagod na ako. And, nagtatransfer ako ng files from my cam dun sa hard drive. Kaya, hindi ko na magamit yung camera ko. Wala akong pang review. Let's enjoy my cup of coffee. We're thinking kung mag-avail kami ng breakfast buffet nila. Kaya lang, it's already 9:52 na siya. 9:52 a.m. na. And I think hanggang 10:30 lang yan. So, sayang na kung mag-breakfast pa kami here. Pero nagugutom ako, guys. Meron pa naman kaming leftover pizza last night. So, naisip ni Daddy Noel is that either habol pa rin kami ng breakfast or punta na lang kami sa Chocolate de Paterol here. Dito rin yun sa loob ng Camp Chanhae. So, gaya nga sabi ko sa inyo, pag nagbabagyo kami, as in dito lang talaga kami sa loob ng Camp Chanhae. Most of the time. Pag may kasama kaming iba, ayun, lumalabas ka. Pero pag kami lang, dito lang kami and then mag-horseback riding sila, tapos kakain kami somewhere. Hi. Ay, yeah, okay. Doon na lang siguro sa loob. Sa loob. Wait. Sige, sa labas. Pwede ba sa labas? Sige, sa labas na lang. Sabi kasi sa akin, hanggang 5 lang yung Philippines lang.
So we just asked for room service and we ordered here because we wanted to make suit our room. So, here's our breakfast. We have the Energizer. This is mine. There's sunny side up eggs, mushroom, ham, bacon, sausage, and roasted tomatoes and hash brown. Oh my gosh, dapat ito na lang pala yung akin na egg. Scrambled. Oh, I forgot what scrambled is.
This one is beef tapa silog. So, beef tapa. Masarap yung beef tapa here at the Manor. Kaya gusto ni Daddy mag-breakfast kanina because of the tapa. They have one of the best tapas that we've tried. I've got sunny side up and we ordered watermelon because Kyle loves watermelon. May kasama rin siyang bread and ripe mango. Tapos the order comes with coffee. Guys, maliligo na ako. Nagmamadali na kami. Ang tagal dumating ng breakfast na in-order namin. So, kakatapos ko lang kumain. Si Daddy nakaligo na siya. So, I'll take a bath now and balikan ko kayo.
To roam around in the Manor's garden first and maybe take some photos. I think they're gonna remove the decors tomorrow or later today, since I think today is Three Kings. It's January 5, and we're also going to be heading home. Golf cart. Yeah, we will. There's like a golf cart area there. But I'm not really sure what time we'll leave Baguio, since we have school tomorrow. And I don't want to like sleep late because we have like a class picture tomorrow. And I don't want to be haggard.
I have school tomorrow.
Yes. You and me. Last day of freedom, guys. Actually, guys, next week is going to be really hectic for me, since I have an exam on Saturday. And the same week, we're going to attend a wedding of my friend's sister. And the same week, we have like a lot of things to do in school. I think we have a debate in Filipino, and our investigatory project in science is due. So it's kind of crazy, but we're gonna be able to get through this. We just need to believe. Wanna say anything?
Hi guys, I'm going to the swimming pool.
My room. We're gonna be checking out now.
They have an arts and crafts area here. Ayan, pwede ka mag-painting, tapos pwede ka rin natang mag-paint dun sa shirt. And then, pwede pa lang bumaba.
Bawal pong bumaba.
Ah, bawal?
Restricted area.
Okay. Bawal pala. Nakita ko kanina may tao dun eh. Ayan, so hindi pala pwede. Pero there's an area there. Forest Lodge na yun. Yung other side. Okay. Okay, so that's Forest Lodge. So here is the restaurant. Ayan yung restaurant nila. Papasok dyan. And dito naman, you can buy pastries. Ayan siya. Tsaka cake. So this is their decor this year. That one. Sa daming lights. Now, we're going to the garden. Magpipicture-picture muna kami doon bago kami umalis. So, this is how the garden looks like when it's daytime. It's so nice. Ang laki ni Santa Claus, oh, here. And ang daming candle. So, every year, nababago yung design nila. And super nice nito at nighttime. Di ba nakita nyo na sa video natin kagabi? This is their wall climbing. Ayan siya. Kisha, wall climb ka. Ay, wag na, sasakit katawan mo. Kyle, yun na lang. Can you do it? Wall climbing.
I'm scared.
You're what?
I'm scared.
You're scared. So, ito yung trampoline. And over here,
Can we
yung
go
go-kart.
in?
Go-kart.
I'm going now.
Smile! Kaya mo yan! Kyle is coming! Go! Why are you moving backwards? We're here dito sa go-kart area nila. And after this, hindi ko sure kung mag-horseback riding pa kami or didiretso na kami sa Chocolate de Baterol for lunch. And then after that, babalik na kami sa Manila kasi may pasok na bukas yung kids. So si Kyle, pag naiiwanan siya ni Keisha, ganyan siya. Bigla siya nagtatantrum. Cute nitong CR na to. So, ayan siya. Ayan yung hotel. Tapos, dito yung parang may ground. And, it's here. Parang siyang small house. Yes? Why? Oh, no! What have you done? No, it's not your nose. Dirty yan. Dirty yan eh. Yeah, it's from the chair. Sige na, it's okay. Careful ah. O yan, si Daddy. Bumaparil na siya. Nice. Wala pa natatamaan ah. Wala natamaan, Dad. Wala. Ilan na yan? Yun, may isa. Wala gumagalaw eh. Can I try? Which one? Ito?
Dito ko yun, di ba?
Tignan lang.
Ay, ang bigat. Ganito talaga? Ganyan talaga? Hindi siya ganyan picture. Okay lang hawakan dito? Hindi ako maiipit? O wag? Hindi, I mean dito. Okay.
I-video ko ba yung target or ikaw?
Si Mami na lang. Hindi naman tatama yun.
Oh! Wala. Meron?
Wala.
Wala. Tingera.
Asan tayo mo? Dalawa.
Wait.
Oh.
Meron?
Wala.
Ba't siya?
Anim mo, anim.
Anim pala? Wait.
Lalagyan ni Mami.
May apat ako.
Okay.
Wait, it's moving.
After that, can we go climb the walls?
Wala.
Kisha
At
naman,
least
Kisha.
nakawan ako.
Tatong mo lang dyan.
Ang bigat.
Tamaan.
Hindi mo man lang ginanon?
Medyo ginanon mo. Ano mo? Sa camera.
Shoot! 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 Shoot!
Oh! Oh, focus mo na, focus. Relax mo na.
10 ka lang ha, 10 lang. Fix your hair, di makita mukha mo.
Binibilangan ako ni Kuya.
Sige pate, may 10 pa yan. Tiglima kayo ni Mami.
Dad, no man na?
Doon, lapit na oh.
Lapit na mi.
When does the bear shoot the bear?
There's a bear?
When does the bear shoot the bear? I don't want to shoot.
Okay, picture yan, smile.
Look at that eh.
One shot lang, one shot. They don't.
Kasi, katakot. We're done. Nakatira ako ng isa lang. Si Keisha din, isa. Si Daddy nakatatlo. Daddy, tatlo sa'yo, no? Tatlo. Pero ano, nakakatakot. Ang lakas niya. Tapos mabigat yung gun. Hindi katulad ng ibang mga pellet gun na ginagamit natin ng mga kapatid ko. Kyle wants to buy a toy. Kyle, ang dami nito sa DV. Sorry. Are you gonna buy? So, lagi ko gusto mag-picture dyan. Tapos, yun yung background. Picture muna ako here.
Ang sarap, may mga cheesecake ko. Rumbles. Banana bread. Can you buy? I don't have money.
Okay. What do you think? Let's buy one burro, one baby. Tingin mo ano?
So fragile in our shells.
So, if you want to try archery, dito kayo pupunta. The price is 400 pesos for 30 arrows. Tapos, pwede kayong share-share. Yun yung maganda. Tapos, 60 arrows, 700. Wait, wala siya sa focus. Ayan siya. 30 arrows, 400. 60 arrows, 700. Tapos, fencing, 400. Ayan siya. 850. Ito na siya package. Hanggang ngayon na lang to, no? Yeah. They also have a food booth here. So, ayan, meron silang mga cotton candy, fries, popcorn, s'mores, taho. There's a taho. Ah, yun, may taho. And ito yung pinakita ko sa inyo kagabi na parang gingerbread house. How much po yung cotton candy?
120.
Mahali. Dapat nag-ask ka money from daddy.
Oh man.
Yan, there. Isa pa po, ate. Isa pa.
What's this?
I've got strawberry taho. So, we're going back to the car. I've got my taho na. Ito yung kahapon ko pag gusto kainin, strawberry taho. Yung isa, mga granola naman yung tinda niya. And here, we have the playground. And this one, where you can buy a lot of stuff din. Like, a knitting expedition yung nakalagay. So, mga items siya na knitted. Bags. Ay, ayan. May mga decors din for Christmas. It's cute. We're now leaving the manor. So, I'm really thankful that we get to visit this place. So, meron na tayong first outing of the year and i-manifest natin na maraming family travels this year again. Sana marami ulit international trips and local trips. So, that's it, guys. Bye, the manor. Hopefully, we can be back here by December again. And manifest talaga natin na maraming trips this year. Family trips, local and international. And sana walang magkakasakit, especially ako. Sana wag ako magkakasakit. Sana healthy ako. And healthy si Daddy, si Kisha, and Kyle. Here kami nakapark sa may Forest Lodge. Parang shared parking ata sila ng The Manor. Kyle got what he wanted. He got a cotton candy. You're not even saying thank you to Mom.
Thank you.
Ice batirol. Ay, gusto ko yan. Ice batirol.
Dad, next na po tayo. Next na.
Ayun, okay. Thank you. Ano mainit dito?
Batirol ba yan? Ano ba sa'yo?
Ice batirol, yung may mint. Pwede yan. Ah, wala. Here's our order, chocolate de batirol. So, ito yung may with hazelnut to. Tapos the others, it's the traditional batirol. We also have sinigang na hipon, grilled squid, and fried pampano.
Saan yung
Oo, pa-picture tayo. Kahit alin. Ano ba sa kanya? Hazelnut?
Hazelnut.
Ito. Ito. Smile, guys. Kyle.
0.6.
Okay. Asya ba kami? Kita ba kami?
Ready po.
Thank you.
Meron.
Let's eat, guys. Akala ko kanina may iced batirol. Wala pala. So, this one, this is the classic or the traditional batirol. Yung kanina hazelnut yun. So, mas matamis siya ng konti. This one daw, parang may pagka-bitter yung lasa niya.
Pwede mo siyang bigyan.
Yeah, may pagka-bitter. Masarap yung chip niya. Yung sweet. Oh, I'm so full. Si Kyle. So, we're done eating at chocolate de batirol. And as usual, masarap yung batirol drink nila. Ngayon lang, meron ng iba't ibang flavor. Like, pwedeng traditional, hazelnut. May iba pang mga flavors, pero hindi available yung iba. So, we only got to try the traditional and the hazelnut na baterol. And it's so good. Masarap siya, guys. If you want yung creamy drink, okay siya. Pero ako kasi, hindi ko siya ganong favorite. Kasi nga, ayoko nung parang mga medyo creamy na drink. But, so far, ininom ko naman siya and naubos ko siya. And nasarapan ako, guys, sa sinigang na hipon.
Sinigang was so good, guys.
Ang sarap ng sabaw. Si Keisha, nagustuhan niya yung grilled squid. Di nga kami nakatikim ng grilled squid eh. And Daddy loved the pampano.
Mom, give me right of horse.
No na, Kyle. We need to go home na.
Please.
Next time na lang. Kyle wants to ride the horse pa.
Orange. Yes. Because there's orange.
Dali. Kulayan mo na yung orange. Para
I can bring this.
I know. You finish this na. Dali ka man. You color it. So, we're back here because Kyle wants to paint. Ayan siya. Yung kinokoloran niya. That one, it's 400 pesos. Kaya lang, malapit na sila mag-close. So, kailangan niyang bilisan. May kasama ng ano siya. Parang watercolor, pati paintbrush, yung canvas.
Cover the eyes. What does red and orange make? Dangerous.
Kala ko pupunta ka na. Ha? Kyle, careful.
Hold still.
Okay, go home na, Kyle. Kyle, you have school tomorrow.
No.
Come on na. So, Daddy is there sa May Market. Ayun o, nagbabay siya ng mga pasalubong. Ayun siya. So, ina-ask niya kung gusto ko raw bumaba. Ayoko na bumaba. Pagod na ako. So, there he is. May pawalis pa siya.
Daddy.
Hi, babe.
Daddy.
He's a family man.
Daddy.